to Chef Fatima's kitchen. Of course, today we are African, and we really want to show people that yes, so we belong to Africa, and Africa is our home. Yes, today we are making what we call Abacha, African salad. Yay! I'm so excited with this menu. So let's take the recipe. One, you have the shred, please. Look at it. Look at how we shred the cassava. So we have it in dry form, but all you need to do is to soak it with water for about 10 minutes. You soak it with warm water for about 10 minutes, then you drain it out, you rinse it out very, very well. The next thing we are having here is our protein. Here I have dry fish, stock fish, pomo, which I've already steamed together. I spice it and steam it together. Then here I have fried mackerel, which is fried as Titus fish. I have my pepper puree blended together. That is shombo, atarodo, which is scotch bonnet, jalapeno, and of course red bell pepper, which is the tatase. I have soaked potash here, which I'm going to use in making the sauce. I have salt to taste. Then I have iru, which is fresh locust beans. Then I have mba. Mba is freshly made here. I have a lady that made this for me. Then you have your nice palm oil. You have your onion chopped in half ring. You have your garden egg also cut in wedges. You have your seasoning to taste. You have black pepper, hot one. Then you also have crayfish. Then of course you have the stock. You have the stock here. So what I'm going to be making today is so amazing because I'm actually twisting the whole process, the whole ingredient at the same time, and also how to make it in a more classic and modernized way. So first, what I'm going to be doing here, I want to make my sauce. I'm making the sauce first, not the oil sauce, but I'm using this pepper and some stuff here to make a sauce, which I will set aside because the other items don't need to be cooked. They will be coming in fresh, so I need to make my sauce. Just like I say, I'm making a very special one. I'm giving it a twist, which we call food fusion. First, in a pot, I have some oil here. Then I'll just allow the oil to heat up a bit. Then I'll add my onion, my iru, and every other thing just to give it a nice flavor. I'm going to be adding Chef Fatima spices, of course, which is garam masala and CFC. I'm using that just to give it a twist. Next, I'll add my iru. Next, I'll add the garam masala powder, CFC, Chef Fatima condiment. Next, I'll have some crayfish. Next, I'll have the pepper puree. Next, I'll be having some black pepper to taste. I'll be having some seasoning to taste. Please remember, this seasoning is made by Chef Fatima herself. I'm adding my ugba. After the ugba, I'm adding my pomo, dry fish, stock fish. I'll add everything here. Then I have the fish stock. I'm going to add a little bit of the fish stock just to create that juicy. Next, I'm adding my mackerel. That is Titus fish. I'm just going to cover this, but before then, I'll add some utazi leaf. Then I'll just allow this to simmer for just about 3 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to make red oil sauce. In a pot, you have your red oil. Don't allow the oil to overheat. You turn off the heat now and you add some potash to thicken. You have this. You drop it by the side. This takes you less than a minute to do. Our sauce here is ready.